When I watch some, maybe most, of the YouTube videos about shoe cleaning, I thought something was wrong. Not everyone is crazy about cleaning shoes and wants to spend a lot of time on it. A whole series of instructions take an incredibly long time and use a whole series of products. Sometimes you don't even know what they are and why. What I enjoy the most is cleaning shoes on someone's foot. It doesn't work very well that way. You can't turn the shoe as needed. You can't even see it from all sides. Most steps require technological breaks, maybe 10 minutes or something like that. It's like cleaning clothes while you're wearing them. Now, I'm not talking about street cleaners. That's more of a show and an experience than suddenly needing a complete shoe renovation on the street. And to be honest, they often use substances that you don't want on your shoes and don't even belong on them. You wouldn't do that to your shoes at home. So where am I actually going with this? Don't let yourself be told that you need a lot of things to clean shoes, and it will take a long time. This will discourage you right from the start. What is certain is that when you come home from work in the evening and your shoes don't look very good and you want to wear them again the next day, you won't throw yourself into a complete wash as a full-time program. You need to do it practically, well, and sufficiently. And I'll tell you how to do it. When it comes to leather dress shoes, things are like this. The complete and absolute foundation, but also completely sufficient for the leather of the shoes, is shoe cream. If you had to buy just one thing, it would be this one, and in good quality. All other products only bring something extra or solve a specific requirement that you can do without. Today, I'll start with saddle soap because I use it almost every time. Actually, not every time, just in every video. That's a big difference. Leather doesn't like soaking. Saddle soap is not used often. I would almost say that once a season is enough. It's not something for every Saturday or something like that. It's not necessary, but it's not appropriate either. If anyone thought it would do something good for the shoes, I use it because the shoes go through a complete process from the no-care state to the ready-to-wear state. Below the video, there will be a link to the full video about saddle soap where you can learn more. In short, saddle soap washes away older layers of creams and waxes and opens up the pores of the leather for further care. But it is not something that would be done often. One of the reasons is time. You need space for this, a little more time, and after using the soap, the boots have to dry well. It is not very visible in the video, but before applying the cream, the boots have to be dry, and that can easily take several hours. Forcibly drying them is a way to damage the leather. So yes, soap, but once or twice a year is quite enough. I'll show you how to do it practically when you take your shoes out of the shoe rack and see that the previous care wasn't much and that they need a little touch-up. You don't have all day to do it, but you also don't want people around to notice that you have dirty shoes, and that can be embarrassing. So I'll take some shoes that I have lying around and you can time me. What I'm going to do now is absolutely sufficient for regular care, which the shoes will appreciate. They will look great, and it won't take forever. I don't need many things. I'll dust the shoes with one brush, put in a shoe tree, but if you don't have one, it's not a tragedy. I'll apply a good quality shoe cream and leave it for a while. Then I'll clean it with a brush and finally polish it. This whole thing doesn't even take 10 minutes. See how it can be done quickly and yet sufficiently. Anything else I would use would be for some special need, maybe even more shine. But if you only do this, it's enough and you'll look elegant. Take a look at some of the other shoes I've made and get a better idea of what they're for. Or write to me if you prefer to sit for a long time and use a lot of products when cleaning. I do. Enjoy my work and let me know if this is enough and I can wear these shoes outside. This is how it should look. I think it's totally fine. See you in the next video. Have a nice day and clean shoes.